kids. How are you all? Good morning. All of you. Yesterday have you revised the poem of Happy Child? Yesterday we have done 4 and 5 textual exercises. Yes. Today is day 4. Again we are continuing with the same lesson. Unit 1. A Happy Child. Yes. Today's textbook page numbers are 6 and 7. Now you all know different animals. Yes, say some animal names. Cat, dog, very good. Cow, very good. Now which bird gives us egg? Hen, very good. Now see here, you can see lots of animals here. Yes, see the cow, buffalo, horse, goat, sheep, donkey. Yes, these all are farm animals. We have 2 types of animals, yes or no? Wild animals, farm animals. Yes, wild animals, lion, tiger, elephant, deer, zebra. These all live in the forest, yes or no? So, now related to the animals, we have in this lesson also textual exercises. Okay, now you can collect some pictures of animals, different animals which I am going to say, and you can paste in your textbook. Okay, all of you. Now today textbook page 6. Okay, now collect pictures of a cat, a cow, a dog and a sheep from old books or newspapers and paste them below here. Okay, you can paste here a cat picture, a cow picture, a dog picture, a sheep picture. Okay, now what is this animal here? You all like that? Yes, what is that? Monkey. You want to see the monkey here? See, I have a monkey here, Godzilla. Yes, yellow color. And what is this? Another one also I have. Blue color Godzilla. Yes, monkeys. Yes or no? I have other animals also. What is this? Panda. What is this? Panda is a wild animal. It lives in the forest. Okay. And what is this animal? What is this animal? Zebra. What is this? Zebra. What is this? Mouse. Yes or no? Tom and Jerry. You know Jerry? Mouse. Yes? Now, what is this animal here? Very tall necked animal. Giraffe. What is this animal? Giraffe. Okay. Now, see here. The king of jungle. What is this? King of jungle. Lion. What is this animal? Lion. Yes? Now, what is this animal? All children like. Yes? Have you seen any time? Have you went to zoo? You have gone to zoo any time? If you didn't go, ask your daddy to take also. Okay? Nice animals you can see. Yes? What is this elephant? Very big land animal. Elephant. Yes or no? This is elephant. What is this? Our national animal. What is this? Tiger. What is this? Tiger. Yes, these all animals. You all like animals to watch. Are you watching Discovery Channel and Animal Planet? You can watch them also. You can see so many animals. Okay. Now, today we are going to do this exercise. Okay. Now, I told you to collect these pictures, no? Cat picture, cow picture, dog picture and sheep picture. Okay, you can cut from your old books or from the newspaper, any other books also. And you can paste them in this page. Page number 6. And this side, trace over the dotted lines and complete the monkey's tail. What the monkey eats? Bananas. Very good. The monkey eats bananas. Yes. So, you have to trace the dotted line here and you have to draw the tail of the monkey. Yes or no? So, what pictures you have to collect? Cut and paste. You have to cut the cat picture. Next, cow. Next, dog. And next, sheep. Okay, you have to collect these pictures and you have to paste them in your textbook. If you have no textbook, you can paste them in the scrapbook or rough notes also. Okay, now coming to page 7. Now here see, so many animals are there. Yes or no? Now dog, cow, cat, butterfly, insect. Butterfly is an insect. Kangaroo. Where do you find this kangaroo? In India? No, in Australia. We find kangaroos in Australia. Lion, king of jungle. Yes. And the duck. Duck also gives the eggs. Yes. Okay. Now these all animals, they are mixed up. Some are wild animals, some are pet animals, some are domestic animals, and there is an insect. All animals are there. Understood? Now, in this you have to, I am reading the question, follow that. The following have lost their babies. Trace along the maze using different colors and find them. One has been done for you. Now here the animal maze is given. Maze is nothing but in different ways we have to find the way for the correct animal baby. That is called as a maze. Okay, in games you can find that. Okay, now here the mamas are out. Now you have to find the babies. Here mama animals are out. Yes. Now cow mama, butterfly, kangaroo, lion, duck, cat and dog. So these animal babies you have to find in this maze. You can take different color crayons and you can do this exercise. Now here see the kangaroo baby. What is the kangaroo baby name? Do you know? What is the kangaroo baby name? Joe. Okay. So you have to find the kangaroo baby. Take one color and find the way to its baby. Okay. Next one. What is this? Kitten. What is the kitten? Mummy? Cat. Cat baby is kitten. So take another color and draw the line and find the kitten. Okay, find the way for the kitten. So what is the cat baby name? Kitten. Next one. What is this? Dog baby. Puppy. What is the dog baby? Puppy. So you have to find the, take another crayon and draw the line and find the way for the dog baby. So what is the dog baby name? Puppy. Next one. What is this? Cow. So where is the cow baby? Cow baby. What is the cow baby? Semi. Calf. What is the cow baby? Calf. So take another color crayon and draw from here and find the way for the calf. So cow baby is calf. Next one. What is this? Butterfly. What is this? Butterfly. Do you know butterfly baby? It is here. Caterpillar. Okay, this is the caterpillar. Butterfly baby is caterpillar. Butterfly baby is caterpillar. Take another crayon and draw and trace the line and find the way for the caterpillar. Next one. What is this? Duck. Yes, duck. called as duckling. Take another crayon and find the way for the duckling. So duck baby is called as duckling. Duck baby is called as duckling. The last one, lion, king of jungle. So what is the lion baby? Where is the lion baby here? Here. Very good. You all know the baby is there. So take another color crayon and find the way for the cub. What is the lion baby name? Cub. So what is the lion baby name? Cub. Understood? So you can see the babies by taking the color crayons and trace on the dotted line. One dotted line is done already for you. By seeing that, you can also find the other ways also by drawing the lines. The mamas can find their babies easily. Okay, you help them. Okay, all of you? Now, once again we will revise the animal babies. Okay, animals and their babies. Kangaroo, Joy. Cat, Kitten. Dog, Puppy. Cow, Calf. Butterfly, Caterpillar. Duck, Duckling. Lion, Cub. Okay, all of you. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.